Good morning, children. So I am your Yashoda ma'am. Today I will take environmental science, that is EVS. In that one, lesson number 4, roots support of the plant. Roots support of the plant. This is the lesson name. So let us discuss about the roots of the plant. Okay, children. You know the plant. The plant has many parts. You know the parts. You are already learning your previous classes. Okay. What are the parts? Parts of the plant. You know that one. Roots, stem, flower, leaf, etc. Is it right? See, I will show on the figure. This is the root part. Below the means this is the top layer. This is the top layer means it is a soil. So underground the layer of this, it is called as the root system. Above the soil it is called as shoot system. In the shoot system we observe that leaf, flower, so bud and stem. Means above the system means above the soil is called as shoot system, and below the soil is called as, we observe the root, that is called as root system. So the parts of the plant are roots, stem, flower, leaf, etc. So today's class we discuss about roots. So children, you are already seen the roots. How many types of roots are you seeing? So, in your neighbors or in your surroundings, you see, for example, tulasi root, is it right? And other some grass root, is it right? So, the lesson is, you have observed the different parts of the plant. You know, these are the different parts of the plant. So, where do the roots of the plant grow? You know that one? So, below the soil, the roots will grow. So, what is the color of the root? You know, the color of the root is usually white in color, or it may be in light green color. So, usually we see the color of the root is white color. Okay, children? So, have you seen the roots of the plant? If you see, you have to write in your rough book. How many roots means how many types of roots are you seeing? Okay, children, you are writing your rough book. So, this is about of the color of the root. What is the color of the root? White, or it may be in cream color. Usually the roots are in white color. See, here is one example. Our activity. Take 2 coconut shells. You know coconut? Take 2 coconut shells or in a box. Okay, fill both of them with the soil. Take 2 coconut shells and fill with the soil. Put some ragi or paddy. You know ragi seeds. Ragi or paddy. Paddy means, you know, paddy means. So where the rice gets, this is called as in Kannada batta. Batta anta heltare akki barutalla. So adine em heltare paddy. Or you have to put ragi also. So, and sprinkle some water on both the shells, on both the coconut shells. So, you observe daily both the coconut shells and keep it in sunlight. What happens? So, the ragi or paddy grains germinate. Germinate. What is the meaning of germinate? The new part grown on the seed. A new part grown on the seed. Grown on the seed. Germination or germinate means germinate means a new part grown on the seed. So we have already taken ragi. So a new part, white structure will grow on the ragi. germination. For example, this is a ragi seed. We see the germination of the seed and observe. So we observe a new part grown on this seed, this ragi seed. So this is called as germination. Okay, children. So later, after 2 days, we have to invert both the shells. We observe the roots. Okay, children. We observe the roots. So it is in cluster, means branches of roots are there. So this type of roots are called as fibrous roots. Fibrous roots. If we take a tulasi plant, you know tulasi plant, the roots like this in a single line. This is called as taproot. Taproot. Example for fibrous roots are ragi, whereas example for taproot are tulasi, etc. See, this is a branches or fibrous means cluster. The roots are present in the fibrous roots. So roots bind the soil together like a web, and it gives the support to the plant, and also it transports water, minerals and salt. So it transports water, minerals and salt in the soil from roots to all parts of the plant body. Okay, children, where the water, minerals and salts gets from? So the roots supports the plant to stand straight. It is a support of the plant. Root is the support of the plant, and it transports. Which one? Root transports water, minerals and salt from roots to all parts of the plant body. Which are the parts? Which are the other parts? For example, stem, flower, leaf, bud, etc. Okay, children. So roots is the main transportation of water, minerals and salt in the plant body. So here is one example. You know horse gram? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಹುರುಳಿ ಕಾಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. So take some seeds of horse gram and sow them in a garden in your home. Okay. So saplings sprout after a few days. I will show you now germination. Sprouts. What is the meaning of sprout? Sprout is also one of the new part grown on the seed. So it is very rich in protein. Sprouts are very rich in proteins. Okay, children. That's why we eat so much of sprouts in our diet, means in our food. Okay. So sprouted seeds we have to eat in our food. Okay. So it is rich in proteins. Sprouts are rich in proteins. So take some seeds of sprouted seeds of horse gram, and without damaging the roots. We have to pick them without damaging the roots. So sprouted seeds, for example, this is a bean shaped. This is horse gram. The germination means the sprouts. So we see the roots and we pick them carefully, the seed. Okay. Then cut the roots of one part, one plant. Let the other plant be as it is. Take two pots having wide mouths. Make holes at the bottom of the pots so the excess of water can be drained out. Take two pots and put the roots of cutted seeded root, and another pot we have to put as it is of the same seed. What happens? So which root will be grown? So only the we are not cutted the roots, no? So with the seed and with root it will be grown healthy. With means cutted root will not be grown healthily. So this is a means this seed needs sunlight and warmth. Warmth means heat, or it may be get from the sunlight. Warmth means heat. See, here is one example. Take up the potted plant, or take a tumbler, glass tumbler. Okay, children? Take a bottle or tumbler, fill it with water. Okay? Take a glass tumbler, fill it with water, add some 2 drops of red ink. So, add 2 drops of red ink to the glass tumbler. Pull out the blossom plant from the soil gently without damaging the roots. Take some blossom. So the stems are very smooth. So take gently the roots of the plant and put it in the glass tumbler. So without damaging, we have to put the plant in the glass tumbler. Wash the roots of the plant. First wash the root of the plant with the glass tumbler, and we have to drain out that water and put a red ink in that water. That means the color of the water is red color. Wash the roots and put the plant in the colored water. Keep it in sunlight. Observe the plant in the next day. So what happens? So the color of the water is, colorless, or we call it as white in color, colorless. So the water has no color. So the plant is put in red colored water. So keep it in sunlight. Keep it in sunlight for 1 day. So we observe the next day what happens. The red color becomes green. It will be fully sprayed in the red color. The stem of the plant will be in red color. So it becomes red in color. See the stem, the plant becomes red in color. So in this activity we observe that the roots absorb water from the soil and transports to all parts of the plant body. Okay, children? How we conclude that the roots supports and transports the plant body. So it transports the red colored water. So red colored water into all parts of the plant body means the plant becomes red in color. So here we observe that the roots is the function of the root is transportation of water, mineral and salt. Okay, transportation of water, mineral and salt. So how we conclude the roots support of the plant? See, root webs conserves soil particles and water. So roots conserve soil particles. For example, we observe the grass. Grass pullu kedidiralla. So it avoid the soil erosion. Okay, children? So in this way we conclude that the roots conserve the soil particles and water. Roots fix the plants firmly to the soil. Roots fix the plants firmly to the soil. So without, see here we observe that without the root, means cutted root, we can't grow means this seed did not grow the plant. So it confirms that the roots fix the plants firmly to the soil. So lastly we observe that the function supporter of how the roots support the plant means roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and supply them to the other parts of the plants. So in page number 32, here they are given some rules. Name the vegetables given in the above pictures. So do you use them in your home? So you all use these vegetables in your home. So write the names of these vegetables. First one, radish. Second one, carrot. Third one, beetroot. Fourth one, sweet potato. Okay, children? So you have have to write in your pencil and write the names of the vegetables using your pencil. And also we see some roots are using for medicinal and also cooking purposes. What are the cooking purposes roots? The roots like radish, carrot, beetroot, sweet potato are the vegetables used as a root in the cooking purposes. For example, you know ashwagandha, turmeric, ginger. Okay children, turmeric you know and ginger, and also ashwagandha is one of the root. It is used as a medicinal purposes. Okay children, so these are some of the roots used as a both medicinal and cooking purposes. Here some knowing words are there. See, the root of a plant of a grass family is about 600 kilometers. 600 kilometers. See, you know grass, the grass family, hullu anta ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So the roots of the plant, the grass family, is about 600 kilometers. See, our roots ಯಾವ ತರ spread ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ because of it will be in the layering process. The roots will be spread by layering process. So I will write on the board. For example, this is the grass. So the roots like this. So in the layering method, so it will be spread. So like this, the roots of the grass spreads out to how many kilometers? 600 kilometers. And this is for example, this is a distance about Bangalore to Kalburgi. And also a banyan tree. You know, in Bangalore, a big banyan tree. You know that one? Kannadalli ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. So it is a type of crop root. Crop root. Banyan tree. The crop root like this. See, it is from the twigs of the tree. This is called as crop root. Of the crop roots are spread in from a banyan tree. A banyan tree spreads over than the 5 kilometers with the help of these crop roots. So the banyan tree it spreads the roots with the help of this crop root over more than 5 kilometers children. So it is usually seen in Bangalore, you know the name that is called as usually called as ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ವರೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಸಿ it's from the twigs of the banyan tree and it is spreads more than 5 kilometers. So some plants are grown on the trees. So usually some plants are grown on the trees. So how they will get the water and minerals and salt from the soil. So usually they observe the water from the atmosphere. So you observe. See on the roots like. So ಊರ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಒಂದು ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ. So that is called as the other plants grown on the tree. It will cause the plant, the tree. Okay. So it absorbs the water from the atmosphere. How how they get the water from the soil? They did not get water from the soil. Okay children? Usually the plants get water from the moisture, means moist air in the atmosphere. See, this is about of the roots, support of the plants. First, the parts of the plant are root. This is called as a root system. It's the shoot system. In the shoot system, we observe the bud, flower, leaf. This green-like structure, you know, leaf, children, leaf, and this is called as stem. This is called as shoot system and root system. So, roots conserves the soil particles and water. Roots fix the plants firmly to the soil, and root absorbs water, minerals and salt from the soil and transports to all parts of the plant body. Roots give a strength and support to the plant. It gives a strength to the plant part. So we eat some roots like radish, carrot, beetroot, sweet potato and etc. And also some of the roots are usually medicinal purposes are ashwagandha, turmeric, ginger. See children, in your textbook page number 33, here write the names of 4 roots that we use. So you have to write in the column, roots column, you have to write the roots, the names of the roots, and in the left side you have to write the uses of the roots. Okay children, so I will explain you now. So you have to collect the roots, names of the roots, and what are the uses you have to write in the next uses column. Okay children.